a seated twist. Now I'm going to turn this way. You can stay where you are. I'm going to turn this way. So hopefully you'll be able to see what's happening with my rib cage, and hopefully it'll help you with your rib cage also. So in this case, I'm going to inhale, sit up tall. Exhale, I'm going to turn to my right. So I'm going to turn to face you. Once you feel stuck, bring your hands to the ground. Now the thing to look for here, if you look down, you'll notice possibly that one set of ribs is prominent and the other set of ribs is kind of hidden. I'm turning to my right, so my right ribs kind of lift up, my left ribs kind of disappear. So try your best, lift your chest and see if you can get both sets of bottom ribs to be visible. Really lift your chest. Every time you inhale, get tall. Every time you exhale, turn. Get that opposite set of ribs to lift as much as the prominent side. Breathe. So the hand behind pushes into the ground and helps give you a little bit of lift. The hand pushes down, the shoulder pushes down, the shoulder blade goes toward the spine. That helps give you lift off as you turn. And breathe for 3, 2, 1, and gently unwind. Stay where you are. I'll turn so we can see the rib cage on the other side. This time I'm going to turn towards you to my left. Inhale, get tall. Exhale, as I turn toward you, you may or may not be able to see, but my left rib is pretty visible. My right rib is hidden right now. But if I push with this rear arm, lift the rib cage and turn. I hope you can see both sets of bottom ribs kind of lift and rotate. Breathe. Every time you inhale, get a little taller. Every time you exhale, turn. Well, I'm turning to my left. You might be turning to your right. But do your best to make both sets of ribs equally visible, equally lifted, and equally rotated. For 3, keep breathing. 2, keep lifting. 1, we gently unwind. And again, just take a couple of breaths here and see, is it easier to breathe? Is it easier to turn your head? Is it easier to sit up tall? There are no right or wrong answers. It's just all about mind, body, connection.